Hey guys, what's up? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a little update on the Norfolk and Western wide vision caboose. Um, Recently unboxed it. Everything on it looks pretty darn good. Um, I did fix the handrails on this side that were caved in a little bit. I took a clamp, well, really, a piece of wood that was able to uh, go to between the rails and the roof part of the caboose and act as a clamp. This little rail right here is out a little bit. It's just not fitting into the hole real good, but I'm not really worried about that. I also fixed this side. It was just a little bit loose. It just took a little bit of testers and was able to get the body straight. So not much body work had to be done, which is a good sign. So that's ready to go. I've got the parts in the bag to keep everything together. The trucks were in good shape. The coupler boxes are in good shape. The pins are in good shape. I've taken all of that apart, put new wheels on there, and I'm just waiting on couplers. The pins were hard to get out, but I had a little bit of penetrating oil to get them nice and lubricated when I would pull right out. So that's a good sign. So the only thing we're waiting on is couplers, and we'll be able to put this thing into revenue service. And I'm trying to see if I can try to get that thing to go behind 920 in time for the HO scale and G scale live stream. But that date and time will be TBA. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update of what's happening. You'll be seeing this caboose in action real soon. So anyway, guys, this rebuild project is well underway. All right, we'll see you guys on the next run. Out.